If you've got a new MRCOOL DIY system and you need a line set that's longer than MRCOOL's 25-foot max length, then we've got a solution for you. Thanks to MRCOOL's Coupler Kit, it's a simple fix. Whether you have a single zone or a 5-zone, we have a kit ready for you. But be sure you get a coupler kit sized properly for your unit. With the DIY systems, there are two different coupler kit sizes. One is for the 9K, 12K, and 18K units, and the other is for the 24K, 36K, and 48K units, since they come with different size line sets. All you have to do is take the other end of the line set that's not connected to the air handler, securely twist and tighten the coupler to the matching lines, and then it's ready to connect to the second line set. Once you have that set, you will also need to add the extended communication cable. Depending on what DIY generation you have, the original communication cable may already be connected. Just remove it from the back of the air handler and connect the extended communication wire in its place. Be sure to match the numbers on the wires with the numbers on the connections. Then connect the other line set to the coupler, and make sure they are tightened securely on both ends before connecting it to the condenser and opening the refrigerant lines. After both are installed and connected properly, you are able to connect them to your condenser. Then you can open the refrigerant lines and check the connections for leaks with a soapy water solution or leak detector. And just like that, you've got an extended line set to fit your unique needs. For more tutorials and explanation videos, check out our MRCOOL YouTube channel. And if you're looking for more MRCOOL products, just go to our website at MrCool.com. MRCOOL, comfort made simple.